Hello everybody. Oil is seeping through the valve cover seal. The engine block is soaked with oil. Is it crankcase ventilation system plugged or bad piston rings? I don't want my engine to blow seals, so today I will clean the PCV system in this car. In this B230F engine, the main component of the PCV system, the oil separator box, is located under the intake manifold. To get to it, I will remove the idle control valve and remove this air intake pipe leading from the intercooler to the throttle housing. The pipe is removed. Intercooler port covered. Here we have the throttle. I will take this opportunity to clean it, since opened. The idle control valve will be cleaned too. It is dirty. This pipe will be removed too and checked for blockage, which is unlikely. The pipe ends up in the flame guard. The flame guard, which in reality is not present in turbo models, removed from the oil separator. This small nipple is usually the main suspect in blow, no suck condition of the crankcase. Next on the list is this hose here, probably since new. Well, only 35 years young. Down there you can see the oil separator inlet. The flame trap T has deposit. It is not cracked. Good. It looks like I can scrub it off. Now it is time to remove the oil trap, aka breather box. 2 bolts, 12 mm. Here is the bracket that holds down the oil trap. It also holds a guard for the motor electric harness. Here you have it on another removed engine. Greasy, but give me a break. Only 270,000 miles. The oil trap out. It would be nice to put a new in, but these days the quality of replacement parts is, well, I try not to swear in this channel. I will try to clean this one. Here is the view where it sits, taken by inspection camera. Cleaned outside and plugged on one side. Carb cleaner in and rock and roll. The cleaner changed color. Some deposit dissolved. Old O-ring out. It is stiff and brittle. Meantime, the throttle gets sprayed. And the idle control valve is cleaned. Don't use cotton swabs there. You don't want any lint or fiber stick there. Looks almost clean to me. Better than it was. This vacuum hose is stiff. I will not even check if it is plugged. Will be replaced. The oil separator took overnight bath in the seafoam cleaner. Rock and roll and drain. Inspection camera inside the oil trap box. Looks okay-ish to me. New seal. It is not rubber. Special material resistant to oil. L-ring part number on the screen. This T goes back on the breather box. Just in case, I kept replacement ready. Some fresh oil goes on the nipples. Oh, I see your girlfriend took a peek what you are watching. Don't push it dry there. The breather box in place. Time for the bracket. Cleaned. Number 10 holds the harness guard to the bracket. Before installing the flame trap, I will measure and cut new vacuum hose. I use red rubber grease on the nipple to ease the process. The vacuum hose nipple on the intake manifold. And it is installed. This pipe was checked for blockage as well. The idle control valve installation. Hoses, clamps, connectors, etc. The throttle control valve was disconnected to get access, and it goes back on. Good opportunity to spray it with electric contact stuff. The idle control valve, the throttle housing and the intercooler get pipes installed. Once again, I check all connections, nuts and bolts. Obviously, the whole process took place while battery disconnected. The engine is hot and running.
Now, commence Operation Vacuum Suck! 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 Suck!
It sucks in. Till next time.